first graders, you should have just read the story, Should I Share My Ice Cream by Mo Willems. If you did not, there is a read aloud video above. Go ahead and go back there and read the story first. We are going to do some worksheets that have to do with the story that we just read. The first one is called a character analysis. This is where you take a character from the story and you answer some questions about how they were feeling or how they are seeing things or thinking. This character analysis is going to be done about Elephant. So this is an Elephant and Piggy book, and Elephant was the main character in the story, so we're going to talk about Elephant. The first one is sees. What does Elephant see? In the beginning of the story, Elephant sees the ice cream cart. The next question is, what does Elephant do? What is something that Elephant does during the story? I know that Elephant gets some ice cream during the story. Now, that is not the only thing that he did, but that is one thing that he can do. You can pick what you want to put in that box. The next one is think. What does Elephant think? I think the biggest thing in the story the Elephant thinks is, should I share my ice cream? So the whole time he is wondering if he should share his ice cream with Piggy. And then the last box is, how does Elephant feel? How does Elephant feel? Well, he feels a lot of things during the story. At the beginning, he's happy because he got his ice cream. Then in the middle, he's sad because his ice cream melted. And then at the end, he's excited because Piggy brings him some ice cream. So you can choose which one you want to put for feels. Now that's it for this page. If you are not done with this page, go ahead and push the pause button. When you're ready to go to the next page, push play and we'll go get started. The next page in your packet is features of fiction. Remember, a fiction story means not real. Okay? So we are going to talk about the characters, the setting, the problem, and the solution. So who are the characters in the story? Well, we have Elephant, and we have Piggy, and then we also have the ice cream person, and we don't know their name, it doesn't say, so we can include them, but we don't have to. The next one is the setting. Where and when does this take place? Now, we don't really know exactly where it took place, but we know that the ice cream cart was where Elephant got his ice cream. So that might be considered the setting or where the story takes place. The next one is the problem. What is the challenge of the story? I think that the challenge of the story is that Elephant isn't sure if he should share. The whole story, he's wondering if he should share the ice cream or not share the ice cream. Now, another problem in the story would be that the ice cream melted and Piggy or Elephant did not get the ice cream. So that could be another problem. Then the solution could be that Piggy brought ice cream for Elephant. If you are not done with this page, go ahead and push pause until you are done, and we're going to move on to the next page. This one is check for understanding. This is going to ask about parts of the story. So the first one is, who were the main characters? The main characters were Elephant and Piggy. Okay, now it wants to know what happens. So what happens first, next, and last. In the first, I want you to write what the story is about. So what happens at the beginning of the story? For that one, I would say the elephant gets ice cream. That's what happens first. Then for next, we have the problem. What's the problem? For here, I would say the elephant isn't sure if he should share with Piggy. And then his ice cream melts. And then we want to put what happens last. The very end of the story, Piggy here shares his ice cream with Elephant. Push pause for now, and when you're done with the page, we'll go on to the next one. The last page we have is called Text Connections. So the first question says, this story is fiction or nonfiction? Now, if you think back months to Miss Gibbon, she told us that nonfiction books are facts that are stories that are facts. They are informational. Now, it's kind of tricky because it says non, so you would think it might be fake, but it is real stories about real events or real facts. So if you were reading a story about facts about ladybugs, it would be nonfiction. Since this is about a talking elephant and talking pig eating ice cream, this is a fiction story or not real. Okay, the next part says, I can make a blank. This is where we're going to make some connections. So you might want to make a text to self connection. Did the story relate to anything that's happened in your life? Have you ever thought maybe you should share something with somebody? Or have you ever gotten ice cream? Maybe your ice cream is melted before you got a chance to eat it. That would all be self connection. Then we have text to world connection. This is anything that's happened in the world, anything you hear from your families, anything you've experienced at school or heard about. That's a text to world connection. Then we have text to text connection. If this story reminded you of another story, that would be a text to text connection. So, as you were reading this story, what did it make you think of? Maybe it made you think of a time you had ice cream, or maybe a time that you and your friend were trying to share something. Go ahead and write about what this story made you think of. That's all for this packet today. Come back tomorrow for more ice cream fun.